Welcome back to this guy's garage. Now that we got our fenders painted and our hood touched up, we got some Wrangler decals that we're going to install here today. So all that coming up. Oh, hit that subscribe button. It really helps small channels grow.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.
Alright, so as you can see here, we're all painted up. First thing we're going to do, now that we got it lined up where we're going to install the decals, we're going to take a little G3 rubbing compound to clean the surface area before we install it. And as you see here, we have some tape here. We have it marked off so that it's even on both sides. And we'll remove the backing just like this here. And these are really simple to put on. So get down and look at it. I just want that to touch there. All right. I only pay $10 for these decals, and I only pay $10 for these decals. Roll it back onto itself. Make sure it doesn't pick up any of the letters. All right, let's do the other side. Same thing again. Peel the backing off. I already prepped this side, cleaned it up. And that's what you call eyeballing it. So quite often, it's the smallest touches that makes a big difference in your project. These decals were cheap at $10 to the door, shipped, taxes included, the whole 9 yards. So I have no complaints with them whatsoever. Worth taking a chance on. Big difference. A little bit of time makes a little bit of money. The Wrangler decals make a huge difference. It's only about a $500 budget on this whole job. And a lot of that you can't even see. But fenders turned out excellent. I really have to say that I'm extremely satisfied with the transformation that took place on this project. I couldn't be happier. We're just about wrapping up the whole Jeep project. We'll be looking for a new project coming up. But until the next time, thanks for stopping by this guy's garage. And if this helped you out, you can hit that subscribe button. It's going to be right there. You can watch another video around here somewhere. And until the next time, this guy out.